Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today, we're checking out this 1965 Galaxie 500. Strong sound and dual exhaust.
Previous owner had stated on this one too that he bought this from us maybe 4 or 5 years ago. He rebuilt the motor and transmission, he said.
Awesome.
Spent about 11,000 bucks, so he put a lot of money into it.
And I think based on our check-in sheet and the, what the guys found, and the previous owner, what he stated, 390 Ford. I put the casting number and stuff up on our website as well. Good sound and V8. Power steering, power brakes. We put this brand new aluminum radiator in it.
Looks like it's got a new Holly carb as well. Really nice looking under the hood. The bottom side of the paint's nice. As we go around this, I mean, it's definitely a car that looks awesome at 15, 20 foot. You get up close, the paint is dull.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just kind of lost
probably
its
a
luster.
35-year-old paint job, but really good, solid car.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is just a nice, classified, nice driver condition Galaxie.
Looks like they re-chromed the front bumper. The rest of the grille and headlight eyebrows appear to be original, but still very presentable. Hood lines up excellent, front to back.
What Chad's talking on this paint being much older, I mean, it's lost, it's a little duller, you know, it's dull, and then if you look really close, you can just see some little checking and stuff. Light checking when you look real close at it.
Well, look how straight it is. I mean, really, it's a nice straight car, and it's got a fantastic stance. Passenger side door lines up beautiful. You'll get to that in a little bit. I said 15 to 20 foot, but even standing right here,
yeah, especially outside,
it looks really nice.
Yeah, it does. But again, if you wanted to make it a perfect car, you know, a guy might want to do paint, but I mean, this is just a nice driver with a good drivetrain, great sound, good stance. It's got Torq thrust, American Racing Torq thrust wheels on it. Tires look to be in good shape.
Make sure you go to our website too and check out the undercarriage photos. I took about 15 to 20 of those. www.coyoteclassics.com.
Like you said, door fits nice. It's really got a nice straight body.
Corner of the door is excellent. Door jamb paint. Actually, the door jamb paint's shinier than the outside. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's got a better.
You can just tell the outside paint's had some, you know, fading on it.
Mm-hmm.
Biggest thing the car really needs is needs a new armrest base and pad on the driver's side. We have the original one, but it is broke.
Yep. Looks like the seats were recovered. They're nice and white, look good. Headliner looks like it's probably original, got a little fade, and then the back sail panels are different color there, but the interior lights work. A couple speakers in the back package tray. Original dash. So on top of this dash pad, you do have some cracks. They added a Sony radio here.
They left the original AM radio in there too, which is nice because that's a big component of the dash. You know?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Let you get that. Looks like it's got new exhaust tips. The exhaust looks nice. Look at the fit and finish. Like I said, very nice original car. The way the doors fit, the way the trunk fits. There again, you can see how the dullness when you get right on top of it, the dullness, and it's just tons and tons of little checking.
Yep.
Is what it makes it dull. So we open up that, it's got the fender skirts painted to match. Inside the trunk's painted. You got your jack and stuff there as well. Look how solid this girl is, huh?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It is.
One other thing to point out is just how solid this is under this top here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this could definitely be a vinyl top. You know what I mean? You could put a vinyl top on this. It'd look great as well. But no rust, no bubbles, no blisters, no issues anywhere in this top. fallen in love with her yet as we go around it. I mean, it's really it's pretty straight, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice straight car. The lower quarter looks good. Yeah, fit and finish is great on it. It just makes a nice car for somebody that wants something that they can, you know, drive and enjoy right now and still have something to kind of tinker with and
paint later.
Paint later, make your own.
Worst part about it is a couple little chunks of paint came off here, touched up in red. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Presentable, but like I said, if you want a solid one, good solid car.
Here's what Chad's talking about there. Here, I'll give that to you, and that way you can
Perfect.
decide.
Still has this factory tag here. There's your data tag. Corner of the door, again, awesome corner here. Very solid door. Rubber's still nice and pliable. Door panels are okay on it. Seats are in great shape. Door jamb paint, again, nice and shiny there. Good and solid in behind that front fender. Seats are comfortable in these Galaxies, aren't they?
They are.
Dome light. Open your door again. Let's see.
Yeah.
Dome lights work too. See if the radio works quick and the heater fan before we try it.
Looks like radio turns on. Go to source.
Well, you're having better luck than I am.
On April 16th.
Radio works good. Cool.
Online auction only.
All right, heater fan does not work.
Okay.
Okay.
Wipers work.
All right. It's got a horn button on it.
Carries good oil pressure.
That's great oil pressure. Great oil pressure. Tap gauge works. Yeah. Yep. Gas gauge works as well, D. So gas gauge works. It's got 103,000 miles on the body. Probably kind of tells us why it's so solid. You know, just very well taken care of.
Yeah.
Power steering's awesome on it.
Nice shift.
Yeah. Speedometer works as well. Another nice shift. So mechanically, this is great. Just as all these cars come in, they're supposed to brake right and everything like that, but they never do. You know, we always go through, pull all four wheels, go through all the wheel cylinders and everything, and the brakes work perfect now. We didn't warm it up yet, so we're just going to kind of take it easy on the way out. Get that temperature gauge up a little bit.
Speedometer works well.
Yeah, you can tell the tranny has been rebuilt. It just shifts really nicely. This thing's quick, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I love the exhaust sound.
Yeah,
too.
the kick down even works perfectly. As we're going down the road, alignment's excellent. You like it?
Yeah, I do. It's a cool car.
This is a totally different car from the first time we drove it when it came off the trailer, isn't it?
Yeah.
The guys did a great job in the back. So basically just kind of a recap, heater fan does not work. Other than that, all the things that we need to work great. There's a high-speed brake right here. Stop nice and straight, no pull left or right. Go through the gears one time on it. How about our idle as we're coming down here? You're probably about to say that, weren't you?
Yeah.
So we come around the corner here, the idle is just so nice and quiet. It's really set
Like you
just
said, the previous
perfectly.
owner said he spent, $11,000 just going through the motor and transmission.
It
So-
doesn't look like it as far as like the
Like a
paint on the
Pierce.
outside. You know what I mean? They didn't. I wish they would have, when they had it out, painted it up a little better, the motor and stuff. But I'll tell you what, it runs like they spent
Yeah.
$11,000.
Yeah, it does.
Just even sitting here idling. Looks like the gas gauge works. We filled it up when it got here. It's a little over 3/4 now. Temperature gauge is just starting to come up. It's about 140 now.
So that works as well.
And our car's nice, and as far as the car is warmed up, and it's still got 65 pounds of oil pressure at that low of idle.
Nice.
So no worry on that. I think she's got. Think she's got anything from? Think she'll spit and sputter D now, or do you think she'll?
We're going to find out.
Figured she'd spit a little bit. Not
like you said, you weren't quite, you're still just kind of warming up there as you're taking off. So,
Yeah.
but goes down the road good. Brakes are
I
good.
love it.
Sounds good. It's a cool car. You got a semi coming behind you. It's a good entry-level classic. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.